In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an iMessage without the typing bubble showing. We've all been there, typing out a message and watching as those three little dots appear, letting the other person know we're in the middle of composing something. If you ever wished you could keep your messaging habits just a tad more private, today's guide will help you do just that. First up is the trusty and quiet method of drafting your message outside of iMessage. This method allows you to tap away without triggering that pesky typing indicator. Simply open any note-taking or writing app on your device, like Notes or Reminders. Begin typing out the full message you intend to send. Doing it this way gives you the space and time to consider your words without any pressure, especially if you tend to be a more thoughtful or meticulous texter. Once you've crafted the perfect message, go ahead and copy it. With your message securely copied, open up the iMessage app. Here's the trick. Instead of starting from scratch and typing within iMessage, simply paste your message into the text field and hit send immediately. This quick action ensures that the typing indicator never appears for the person you're messaging. They'll receive your message just as if you typed it all out at lightning speed. Now let's talk about using Siri as an alternative avenue for sending your messages without logic revealing those telltale dots. Start by activating Siri, which you can easily do by holding down the power button or simply saying "Hey Siri." With Siri listening, you can dictate your message. Just say "send a message to name your message" and Siri will handle the rest. Because Siri's direct vocal command doesn't involve traditional typing, those three dots never appear on the recipient's screen. It's a smooth and efficient way to keep your typing habits under wraps while still ensuring your message gets across. Plus, it's incredibly handy if you're on the go and need to communicate without having to stop everything to type out a message. So there you have it, two simple methods for sending iMessages without alerting the other person with the typing bubble. Whether you choose to draft your messages quietly in another app or enlist the help of Siri, both techniques provide a way to message more privately and on your own terms. Now, go ahead and try these out so you can send messages with your secrets fully intact. And remember, sharing these tips with friends might just help them out as well, transforming their messaging experience into a more delightful private interaction. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful insights and tech tips.